E-bike and e-moto safety have become a borderless crisis that no city can solve alone. Your community needs a playbook that provides a strategic roadmap for regional leaders to unify e-bike governance through a JPA. The Bellemont Project's e-bike safety Joint Powers Authority playbook outlines how you move from a fragmented, reactive stance to a unified regional shield through a Joint Powers Authority, one that is powered by the Bellemont Project's proven e-bike and e-moto safety framework. Learn how the Bellemont Project can help your community transform a borderless safety crisis into a sustainable model of interagency innovation. Brought to you by the Bellemont Project, dedicated to providing effective e-bike safety management, because e-bike safety is no accident. Why is your current approach to e-bike safety failing? Because your communities are fighting an algorithm set up by e-bike and e-moto marketing professionals. Influencers like Sir Ronster have become cultural architects for your youth. They use social learning and parasocial relationships to make participation in high-risk street takeovers a status symbol. When your officers issue a standard ticket, they aren't deterring kids from poor conduct. Instead, they're actually increasing those teens and tweens' street cred with their digital tribe. To win this challenge, your community must stop trying to suppress their energy and start redirecting it using the same psychological drivers that the professionals are using in marketing. Status, mastery, and belonging. Those are the things that kids want. The Bellemont Project solves these challenges with a JPA framework focusing on a 6-point plan. We start with the compliance motivation, providing the incline program to manage behavior through psychology, not just bike impounds and fines. We tackle the parent trap through consumer awareness and provide the JPA with policies and communications advisory to fix the patchwork of local laws. We empower your officers with informed enforcement training and pursue regional grants for infrastructure improvements. Finally, we move the cool factor off the streets by developing e-biking as a sport, rewarding safe conduct with sanctioned competition. This is how we replace chaos with mastery. Why do you need a JPA? Because costs, liability, and the need for effectiveness don't stop at city limits. A JPA allows your communities to create a regional shield, a unified initiatives framework that provides consistent legal expertise, equitably shared costs, and cohesive solutions that represent the input of every member agency. A JPA allows all stakeholder agencies to speak with one voice across your communities to residents, schools, and parents. Most importantly, it creates a regional command center where the Bellemont Project acts as your technical advisor, ensuring your staff doesn't have to reinvent the wheel every time a new e-moto hits the market or a new state law is passed. Let's consider the e-bike safety budgets in your cities. The status quo of doing what you've been doing despite the bike industry's increasing promotion to kids, well, it's expensive. Failing to manage this at a county level costs your cities big time in litigation, emergency response, and lost grant opportunities. But you can provide an excellent solution. The JPA model is an efficiency engine. By pooling your resources, your JPA will access economy of scale. Expert advisory, for example, is hired only once for the whole region. Furthermore, state and federal Safe Streets grants favor regional alliances. One successful JPA grant can effectively pay for this entire safety program for years. Your cities will move from, 100% cost for 10% results to a leveraged investment that delivers real safety. The crisis is borderless, but your solution can now be unified. By working with the Bellemont Project to set up your JPA, you aren't just passing a new ordinance, you're authorizing a clear roadmap toward your region's successful e-bike safety management. We at the Bellemont Project have the science, we have the policy, and we have developed an e-bike safety JPA plan that can be customized to suit your needs. Stop chasing the problem across city lines and start leading the solution together. We'd love to show you more about our JPA e-bike safety playbook. Simply email or call us today.